Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a super fast and super yummy chocolate frosting recipe. So let's go through the ingredients. 1 cup of salted butter, 227 grams. A half a cup of cocoa powder, 50 grams. A quarter cup of milk, 60 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 5 grams. A quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 gram. 4 cups of icing sugar, 540 grams. So I'm going to get our icing sugar into our bowl, and then our cocoa powder. And our little bit of salt. The salt is optional. You don't need to use it because I am using salted butter, but I find just a little bit of salt is fine. And I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to take my vanilla, just add it to my milk, and get my milk in here. And I am just using regular 2% milk. You can use full fat milk or skim milk if you wish. And then we've got our butter. And this butter is nice and soft. And this is going to be so yummy. And then I'm going to grab my mixer, speed number 1, and just start mixing this up. And there we have it. This smells amazing, and you can see the really amazing texture that we've got here. So let's just get in here and check this out. Look at this. Look at how smooth this is. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Super easy to make. As you saw me do it, it takes 5 minutes, not even. Look at this. Oh, and it smells so good. Just going to go in for a little bit of a taste test here. Oh yeah. That is so good. A little bit of a hint of vanilla in there. You can taste that butter. Oh, it is so good. It's so smooth and rich. Amazing. So I'll end off the video here. I hope you try this out. You can see the consistency. If you want this a little bit more runny, just add a little bit more milk. And if you're going to do that, make sure you're adding a tiny bit at a time, because this changes very quickly with just even a little teaspoon of milk. I'm going to leave it just like this. I love it just like that. It's nice. You can frost a cake perfectly with it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I'm also over on Facebook at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.